What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Hey, Bluetooth speakerphone? Use it anywhere, including your car. Dude, I picked this up because it kind of looked like a little spy device, and this is something that you can use potentially in your car. Hands-free kit, safe and legal, no installation, and it just kind of looked modern and cool looking. SP01. I would say you could probably use this in an office, right? You could probably take your call and put it on speakerphone. You could probably do that with your phone, without one of these, but you might want this. But I was saying that it actually comes with a little mounting piece here so that you can mount it to like the vent holder for your phone and whatnot. So you can have this thing as like a speakerphone in your car. That's really what it's meant for. Oh, it looks like it should be able to mount to the visor. It looks like it has a clip for the vents, and everything else looks pretty standard. But really, the thing that was most interesting is it's really sleek, simple, modern, clean design. So here's the visor mount, little bent piece of sheet metal, and then we have a micro USB cable for charging. Oh, and then here is the vent clip. So you could clip this to a vent blade. Oh man, get these little things open. This is a pain in the ass, but we'll just fight it open. And I'm trying to see here. Nope, not magnetic here. So I'm wondering if there might be a magnet on the back of the device. Looks like right there. Boom, look at that. Which is also how this sticks to this, so that you could actually just pull it off. So there's a magnet built in there. That's pretty clever. Pretty clever. So you want to roll with it, take it off, put it up there. Maybe you're keeping your center console and want to clip it up. Pretty nifty. It also means that you can have this thing on your vent without cluttering up your car. You get a call, just throw that sucker up there. All right, enough of that. Let's take a look at the hands-free device here itself. And like I said, it's small, it's pretty light. It's actually plastic. This little silver ring here, I think, is all plastic too. So it feels quite a bit lighter than I expected. And when it's magnetic, that is probably very helpful, right? But what I liked is that it had a sleek look. It's kind of less bulbous than a lot of the other car speakerphones. Now, in terms of charging it up, it's right there, but powering anything on, I guess this is the power button. Looks like this is the microphone hole. Mute and play, pause, volume up and down. So you could use it for DP Bluetooth streaming. You can see how we have a cutout here that's translucent. I bet all that lights up, especially when I hold it down and then the speaker there.
Enjoy your journey.
The cutout buttons here kind of remind me of the old Motorola Razors, so that's pretty cool. So let me just connect this to my phone. Blue and white flashing, I'm assuming, means it's in pairing mode. So I'm going to pair it, and then we'll check out the audio quality with it.
Yo, what up? This is Peter from Panda. I'm speaking through this SP01 multi-point Bluetooth speakerphone. I have the speakerphone actually just sitting on the table in front of me, so it's only about a foot and a half away from my face. Just speaking in a normal voice. This is kind of the audio quality that you might expect to get from this sucker. And like I said, it's small, it's light, you can put it in a glove box, have it in center console, even throw it in your pocket. I love the fact that you can connect it to your car and on the visor or the air vent. Seems like it's very versatile. So judge the audio quality based on this. Keep in mind that when you're in your car, you're probably have some road noise, some background noise, wind, those kinds of things. And so the audio quality probably won't be quite as clear, and so kind of make an assumption about whether this is right for you based on that. But this is a true audio recording. I'm just going to leave a voicemail message here, and then I'll download it and embed it directly here in raw format, so you can decide whether or not this is the right device for you. But so far, I'm pretty pleased with it. Pretty cool and very inexpensive, under $10. That's pretty awesome too. Check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description. Peter von Panda out.